man in the middle. He was in charge at the City Ground for this fixture last season. It's Arsenal who get us underway with the final international break out of the way. The start of the busiest part of the Premier League season. 9 fixtures now across the next 6 weeks. A test for all, particularly for teams like Arsenal, who must add 2 European ties and another in the EFL Cup to their heavy schedule. Can you understand, Matt Upson, why Mikel Arteta has made all these changes?
I can understand to a degree, but I feel that this is the most important game. This game's just huge for Arsenal to stay in that title position in the hunt. You cannot afford to lose it. So for me, this match should take precedent. But I understand the changes, and you do have to manage the schedule at this level. There's games coming at you thick and fast.
Arsenal with a first-minute corner.
The Arsenal goal scorer, number 7.
This is tonight. You're getting what the price is. And it Spurs. I need to see the result this weekend. They've got a lot of defenders back now. That's the one. That's it.